Dear audience, today I will be having some practice quiz for Cisco SMBE 700-7550 exam. This exam is related to small medium business engineer um certification. So let's see some questions so that you can prepare yourself for this certification. So the first module, there are 11 modules. So the first module is related to partnership opportunities with Cisco. So the first question could be of the type, which market trend is not a major driver of the IT adoption in the SMEs? The first option is digital transformation, second is increased remote work, third is focus on cost reduction, and the fourth is growing size of SMEs. So what do you think? What answer could be the best answer? The answer is D, growing size of SMEs workforce. This is explanation. You can see that why your answer is correct and why your answer is not correct. Question number 2. What differentiates the solution provider from the reseller in the Cisco ecosystem? So these are the four options. So the best option is B. Solution providers have a broader technical expertise. This is explanation why your answer is correct or why it is not correct. Question number 3. Which aspect of the Cisco partner strategy is most appealing to the SMEs? So out of these four options, the solution or the answer is C. Expertise in specific technologies and industry. And this is explanation for your answer. You can pause the video and check your answer. Question number 4. What is not a key objective for many SMEs when seeking IT solution? So the answer is D. Invest in cutting edge technology regardless of ROI. You can see the reflection or explanation of your answer. The fifth question, which managed service is least likely to be the interest to the SMEs with limited IT budget? Answer is advanced cybersecurity solution. And here is a reflection or explanation for your answers. Well done. See you in the next part 2 of the module of Cisco SMBE 700-750 exam.